This is the voice of Turkey. This is the voice of Turkey.
Today is Saturday, 27th of July 2024. This is Voice of Turkey's English language transmission, broadcasting from Ankara University Sudan, between 12:30 and 13:30 UTC on 17,620 kHz to Europe. You can listen to us over the Turksat 3A and 4A satellites and on the internet at www.trtdinlt.com through Radio Link and under the VOT Radio's expandable section. Our email address is englishwest@trp.net.tr. Following the news, Voice of Turkey programs, as well as some music from Turkey. First, we start with the news. With Israel, 31 Israeli attack on Gaza school housing displaced Palestinians. At least 31 Palestinians, including children, were killed and many others injured on Saturday in an Israeli attack targeting a pure hospital and school housing displaced people in the country that is free Palestinian sources said. The gas from Israel's attack on a field hospital inside a school housing displaced people in Deir al-Balah.